Welcome back to the spooky kitchen of the Rowdy Homestead Ranch. In this week's video, you get to see the making of delicious mummy hot dogs. Come and find out how they're made. This recipe has been a kid-friendly family favorite for years now. It's a must-have in our home. To start this dish, gather all your ingredients, open up a can of the crescent rolls, unroll 1/2 onto your counter or your cutting board, and mash the perforated lines together. You can use any kind of hot dogs that you want. I'm using beef hot dogs from our grocery store, but you're free to use anything you want. And if you're not serving to children, you're going to do this for an adult party, you could even do sausages. Take a pizza cutter or a knife and cut into strips. Take your hot dog and place a strip at the top at an angle, mash it a little bit into the hot dog and hold it with your thumb, and then with your other hand start wrapping it around all the way to the bottom. Take your next strip and press it to the first one going in the opposite direction now. Wrap it around and then connect the two pieces again at the bottom. Then you're going to flip the hot dog over and repeat the process, and then lay them on a lined or greased cookie sheet and continue to the next one. You can also add cheese. Lay the cheese over your hot dog before you're wrapping it, and then when finished, lay the cheese side down on the cookie tray. The wrapping procedure is the same after you've added the cheese. my sons are all adults now, I found a pack of the large hot dogs in our store and I grabbed those. You can see the size difference between the two, so if you really need to feed a crowd, that's the way to go. Any extra dough you might have left over you can roll into a crescent and bake along with the mummy dogs. You're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and whenever you're done, you bake these for 13 to 17 minutes. These are best served hot, but first you'll want to garnish them with drops of ketchup to make some spooky looking eyes for effect. Well, Thing, what did you think of the making of those disgusting mummy dogs? I think they look hideous as well. Well, I think we have sufficiently wrapped up this segment for Halloween. I hope you have a very blessed day.